Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create a simple calculator in which we are going to take two inputs from the user and we will be showing five options, like one is for addition, two is for subtraction, three is for multiplication, four is for division, and fifth is for exit from the program. So we are going to take three inputs, like first input, second input for the two operands, that is two numbers, two integers, and one is for operations, what operation we are going to do, that is addition, subtraction, like that. Okay, so for detecting the operation we are going to use switch condition, and for executing the options and taking input from the user again and again until and unless the exit button is pressed by the user. So for that we are going to write all the uh, executable lines inside a loop. So we will be using while loop for this. So let's do it. I am just creating a Java class. I am giving name as calculator. I am checking the public static void main and I am going for finish. As we are going to take input from the user, so for that we have to import the scanner class, right? So which is inside the util package, util.scanner. For using the scanner we have to create an object for it, scanner. So we are done with the scanner part. Now we can uh, declare our variables. Let's say take I am giving name as num1, another is num2, and one more is for option, right? Let's say I'm initializing the variable option as 0, and as we are going to show the options again and again until and unless the value is 5, because 5 is for exit. System.out.print, here we can show enter first number we can write. After that we can take the first input from the user. After taking the first input we can take the second input by showing the message enter second input, like that. We can just copy and paste here. Here it will be second number and it will be num2. After that we will be showing the operations, like one is for addition, two is for subtraction, like that. So for that I'm going to take a println here also. Now let's say one is for addition, then two is for like subtraction, then three is for multiplication, four is for like division, and finally if the user press 5 it will be exit from the program. Now we can take the option is like sc dot next int. After taking three inputs, now we can write our switch statement, right? Switch, it should be checking the option, and inside the switch we can write our cases. If one, we will be showing the addition value, right? Addition num1 plus num2, and then break. If we don't write break, then it will execute all the cases. So for that I am writing break. For system 2 it will be showing the subtraction part, so just writing here subtraction here, so it will be minus, then case 3 for multiplication, case 4 is for division, and lastly case 5 for exit. So it will be case 3. Case 3 is for multiplication, here it will be star, then case 4 is for division, it will be like division, then 5 is for exit, so it is not required, here it will be exit with 0, and by default it will print like invalid input. So we are done with our program. Now just saving it and executing it. Okay, so let's say it's 200, then 300. Let's say we want to do addition, so addition is 5. Again, now we want to do subtraction, so it's 5 not 3. Yeah, we can give here as enter your option, like that. Before taking option we can write here as let minimize it. Here we can show a message like dot print is like enter your option. After that we'll take, now again control S, then printing it. So first number is like 25, second is like 20, then we want to do like multiplication, it's 500. Again first number is like 300, second is like 100. Now we want to do division, so division value is 3. Now we can do that like 45, 85. Which option we want to do is like again addition. Let's say if we want to print the option first and after that we should take the input, for that we can write these two statements after option. Now control S, if we execute now you can see after changing, means after writing the, after taking two inputs from the user, I am giving those two statements after the option. After taking the option I am going to take two numbers from the user. Okay, now we will be taking operation first, means which operation the user want to perform, and after that we are going to take two numbers, right? Let's say now I am going to do addition, so option 1, now 54 and 3, it should be 57, so addition is 57, right? So like that we can do. If we press 5, it will ask for two numbers and the program will be terminated. Now let's say nothing will be happen here, right? So like that we can perform, or we can write our simple calculator program. I hope you also be able to execute the same program without any error. You can manipulate the codes, you can write click for addition, you can manipulate as per your wish. Now the logic, it's just simple as this. So thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.